Hello everyone, just doing a quick check-in. Welcome to week 3. So we're already at week 3, chapter 3, and you're going to talk a little bit about the information within this chapter by watching the video here and talking about a lot of the different elements of the statute of limitations and such. So lots of great information in this chapter. So far people are doing really well keeping up with their review questions. I appreciate that. Just as a reminder, these review questions are meant to be for studying. They are not meant to be really difficult. So if you do the material by opening the PowerPoint, reading the chapter, you're going to be ready for those review questions. And if you run into issues, let me know. You can actually take the review questions twice. So if you want me to open it back up for you again, I'm more than happy to do so because it's meant to be a study like a study assignment rather than something that's punitive. So let me know. I'm happy to help in any way I can. I'm trying to post as much as I can throughout the week to give you information related to law and ethics to keep you engaged. And I'm hoping that you're keeping up with things in a manner that you feel is not too terribly difficult. However, if you have questions along the way, feel free to reach out. My email is pwilliams@pmi.edu. and I usually get back with you within 24 hours, so I try to do that. Another thing is week 4 is also open. Even though we're not at this week yet, I wanted you to be able to look at your APA research assignment, which will be coming up as one of the largest assignments in this week, this 8-week course. So take a look at the paper instructions, which is here. Also take a look at the sample papers in Word format and the sample paper from Purdue OWL for the 6th edition. You can actually use the sample paper in Word format to input your information so you don't have to memorize where or how to format material in APA. This would be great for you. It's going to be anything based on legal research that you can find. You can use Google Scholar, more information to come on that. But overall, I think people are doing well. Be sure to go through week 3, chapter 3 this week. Take advantage of the time that you have to watch the recordings. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for all you're doing.